Hi everyone, and today we're going to look at 3 cameras from Huddly. And what's extra cool for me as a Norwegian is that it's designed in Norway and it's even made in Norway. So first we're going to look at their Huddly 1 Work from Anywhere kit. Let's open it up. And you have a package with a USB cable to keep at home. In this travel case, it's very hard and sturdy. It contains a camera and a travel cable. And here we have a USB-C to USB-C cable for out traveling. And it's very neatly packed here, so it doesn't take any damage when tossing it around. So let's unpack the camera. And the design is very compact and has a very good quality feel about it. And you can mount it to a tripod if you want, or you can open it up like this and set it on top of your monitor. So the cool thing about this camera is that it has a lot of automatic features to enhance the picture. We have portrait mode lighting, so persons get better lighted. It can de-warp the wide angle lens image so it looks better and more natural, and you have a lot of other things happening in the background there. So that's the Huddly 1 Work from Anywhere. So let's take a look at the next camera. This is the Huddly IQ with microphone, and that's for meeting rooms or high-end executive offices. So let's open that one. A bit smaller package here. Let's see what's inside. And inside here, there's no cable included, but it uses USB-C connection in the cameras. Same with the Huddly Work from Anywhere kit. So it looks almost the same. Same great quality, well built. You have tripod mount on the bottom here. You can put it up on top of your screen. So you have a microphone array. You have framing, automatically framing if people are sitting in a large room but they are only sitting in the front, for example, so it frames the persons so it doesn't show the whole meeting room. And if someone move around, it pan and tilt zoom to capture everyone in view of the camera. And it also has the same lighting features as the Huddly 1, and it's really great to use in even bad light conditions. So let's compare them. They're almost the same. So the only thing you can do to identify them differently is the top here. This one is the Huddly IQ, and this is the Work from Anywhere kit, Huddly Go. So that's 2 cameras. So the third one, that's kind of cool camera. I even have installed a whiteboard in my office to test it out with my Teams MTR. So that's a camera to use for capturing whiteboard. It's called Huddly Canvas, So when you're in meetings with a Teams meeting room system, you can turn on the content camera and it frames the whiteboard automatically. So let's see, it's quite a big package. It says Huddly Canvas. Let's open it up and take a look inside here. There's some instructions. There's an arm you need to install on the camera on, so it's above the whiteboard. So open it. This really well built packages. See there? You have the wall mount. So you install this in the wall, and then you have the camera arm. So you put this on top of the, like this, on top of the wall mount. And here you have a USB over Ethernet extender, and the camera connection on the other end. So you mount the camera on here. And you have the other end of the USB extender. So you have an Ethernet plug here and power, and a USB cable to connection to connect to your PC. You have a box named cables. So let's see what's inside here. And here we have the power adapter for the USB extender, and you have the USB cable to connect to your PC. And let's see here. And the last one is the Huddly Canvas camera. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. So it kind of looks exactly the same as the two other cameras, same size and same quality feel. And you can choose to use it without the arm and place it on a stand or something, even with a tripod. But the best thing is to install it on the arm you put on your install it on this arm and put it above your whiteboard. You can connect it like this. See, you can tilt it to match where to see the whiteboard. And even though if you don't have the whiteboard inside, even though if you see a lot of stuff around the whiteboard, you don't see just the whiteboard. The camera will automatically detect it and frame it in the content you're sharing, so you only see the whiteboard. And the thing about using content cameras on whiteboards in Teams meeting is that if you write something on a whiteboard and then move out of the picture and move into the picture again, you can see through yourself and see the content written on the whiteboard, even though you're standing in front of it. So it's a little bit magic. So let's take a look at the content camera. I'll start sharing from my MTR. And see it frames the whiteboard and starts zooming in. So let's take a marker here and try writing something, like drawing a smiley face. and you don't see it now. You see it appears, and you can still see it if I move towards the camera, and if I start drawing something that the camera can't see. Another smiley, maybe. And I move away. It starts appearing. And I can go on like this. I can try drawing a car. And that's how the content camera works. And you see it's really great at quickly identifying the object and making them clearer and enhance the picture. So after testing this content camera, I'm very eager to start using whiteboards in my meeting. Just add the Teams meeting room system to the meeting and get up from the chair and start drawing with a pen rather than trying to do some lines and stuff like that in a whiteboard with your mouse. It feels so much more natural and easier to be engaged in the meeting. And one thing I haven't mentioned during this unboxing is that I have been filming the entire video with the Huddly One Work From Anywhere kit, and I really don't have that great light in my office. I actually for now my only light source in this office is daylight and the lamp behind me. So you see that it's really good at keeping the picture well lit even in bad light conditions. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of these cameras. And I will continue to try to make my videos better. For this video, I have been using an external Elgato Wave 3 microphone to make the audio a lot better. And I will order myself a ring light, so even the lighting in the videos will be a lot better. And I will try to make my office more video suitable, to fix up the background, even move the workout machine out of view, or the dust collector as we call it. So that was all for today, so see you next time.